Hi and welcome to the video. I'm going to be doing a full actual roundup of the whole 4.0 business. Sadly, the 4.0 will not be coming to the first gen. I have a first gen. I don't have any others, which is kind of sad. I'm being forced to buy a new one, which is kind of retarded. But don't worry, don't. I'm going to start it now. Okay, so let's start with multitasking. Apple basically just started straight away with multitasking because it was one of the things that we wanted but never got and had to jailbreak to get, and that was just horrible. So well, now there's a proper legal situation, so you don't have to jailbreak anymore for you people who are scared of jailbreaking and then your iPod imploding, exploding, whichever way. So there is background audio now. So Apple showed that off in the keynote by they showed off the whole Pandora. You can actually play Pandora while you're doing other things, and that was pretty good. Voice over IP, which was obviously for Skype. Background location, which was for TomTom, so that it could know where you are and tell you yada yada yada. Push notifications, which I also think was for Skype, so that you can accept calls, um, and loads of other things. Fast app switching which was obviously the double tap on the home button, and then the little dock comes up so that you can multitask. They actually figured out a way so that it doesn't use as much battery life as it had to. So that was pretty good. So that's one of the seven main new features that is coming to iPhone 4.0. And we start a new one. It's folders. Apple showed off this other thing where basically you hold an app, and then when it starts to jiggle, you just drag it onto another app, and then it will basically make a folder. Also, it also has smart naming. So say you had two games and you drag them onto each other, well then it would make a folder called games, which is smart naming. And also, they actually did a little test and said, you know how you could only have 180 apps? Well, now with folders, if you use all folders, you would be able to have 2,160. Now, that is a lot. Okay, now this wasn't one I was too excited about because I don't really use mail. So it was okay. But the unified inbox, it basically meant that you could have lots and lots of emails in one list. So it showed all the mail from all your emails in one list, which is pretty good. There's also multiple exchange accounts, which I'm not sure about that, but oh well. There's also fast inbox switching, threaded messages, and you can actually open attachments with apps. This is one that we weren't too excited about, and even Steve didn't sound too excited about iBooks really because it's a good ebook reader, and that's basically it. But if you like reading ebooks, then go ahead and get 4.0. And we move on to another subject, another part. It was enterprise. I wasn't too big on enterprise because I didn't really understand it. But there was support for multiple exchange accounts, Exchange Server 2010, new VPN options, better data protection, mobile device management, and wireless app distribution. So if you like enterprise, that's what's coming. Okay, and we're on to one I'm actually excited about. It's called Game Center. Well, right now it's not being in use because only the devs have it, and it's not exactly being used by everyone. But soon, as soon as it's been released, you'll be able to. It's a social gaming network. So basically, Apple's got their own Xbox Live, which is really cool. You can invite friends. There's matchmaking, leaderboards, and achievements, which is Xbox Live in Apple form. So I can't wait for that. Okay, and we're on to our last one, which is iAd. There have been many rumors of this coming out since Apple bought Quattro, and failed to get ad mobs, but now it's up, but now it's happening. So basically, um, it has emotion and interactivity. So it's not just a normal ad where you click on it, it pushes you out of your app, and then you have to try and get back to the whole thing. And the ads keep you in your app, which is good. It's built into the iPhone OS, so that's all. So no outside problems. Apple sells and hosts the ads, and 60% of the revenue goes to the developer. So I'm going to include some screenshots that's going to show you the whole process of it, and here they are. So if you want a video of that, go ahead and check out the keynotes, and that will help you understand what is happening, because the screenshots don't exactly show you everything, but they show you a basic they show you the basic interaction with the ad. So that's it. I hope you um like this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, yada yada yada. And a new video will be up later about something else I'm not sure about yet. So bye.